Hey, oh hey, Amanda here, and today's video is a little different than any video I've done before. We're going to do an underwear review, which is certainly something a bit different than what I've been up to in my recent videos, but I have been on a journey, a twofold journey. One, to start looking into period panties, because as I am moving towards a more waste-free or less wasteful lifestyle, I obviously am trying to move away from using panty liners with my Diva Cup, because even though the Diva Cup generally does a great job of having no leaks, I'm just nervous. I'm sure you guys can relate to that, and I know there are reusable pads, but I just haven't enjoyed them in the past. So we're gonna look at a period panty that I purchased and see what I think about it. And then I also have been on kind of as I am going through underwear, repurchasing from, or trying to repurchase from more eco-friendly, eco-conscious brands and companies. So I placed an order from a particular company, and I want to go through what I bought and how I like it as well. I've tried everything on. I haven't necessarily worn everything, so I didn't want to show you guys worn underwear. I know there's a market for that somewhere, but it doesn't necessarily fit in here on this particular channel with this kind of content. You know, maybe if I had an OnlyFans, but I don't. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the period panty. So I had Googled best period panties, and an article came up. It was from like some magazine. I don't know if it was like Cosmo or Allure or something, and these particular panties were ranked as the best budget buy, and I purchased them from Amazon. Let me pull it up in front of me on my computer. They're the Bambody leak-proof hipster period panties for light to medium discharge, which would be perfect for wearing it with the Diva Cup. So this is what they look like. I have not actually worn them in practice because these do not fit very well and they're not very comfortable. I read in the article snippet that they did tend to run small. I purchased a large. I tend to fall somewhere between medium and large, so I figured it would be okay. Now, I'm probably gonna need like an extra large or an extra large, because I got a lot of ass, and these squeeze tight on my butt. The rest of it, not too bad, but on my butt they are very, very tight, especially in like this back portion, the stretchy bit where your leg comes through. I got a lot of ass, so this is like just eating into it. So there's no way I could wear this with anything remotely fitted without having obnoxious visible panty lines. And so I haven't actually worn these, and I can't tell you if they're a great period panty or not, because honestly I can't even wear them. I would have to lose weight to be comfortable in these, which is annoying, but it is what it is. So if you are going to try the Bambody, I would say go a full size up, if not 2 sizes up, because this is kind of obnoxious how small cut these are. So I don't know, I might hold on to them on the off chance maybe I do lose a little weight. I don't know, that's probably not gonna happen, but I will likely repurchase these in the larger size, the extra large, once we get to my next period, because I only get them every 3 months because I'm on a seasonal pill, birth control pill. And yeah, those were $12.90, and they are 1 prime if you are interested in getting those. I will link them down below. Then the next company I purchased from was Azura Bay, which is supposed to be very eco-friendly. Actually, I'm on their website anyway, so let me go to their About Us section. Let's see. Low waste packaging. About our brand. Ethical. Fair trade certified. Ethical practices and treatment of their employees, fair wages, safe and positive work environments. So all kinds of good stuff there. I bought 3 different types of panties from them. So we'll go ahead and look at the first one, which is the Dulce Thong in black. So here's this one, and this is one of those thongs that's called like one size fits all. I will say, so I had lots of thongs like this from Victoria's Secret that I had for a long time. Well, I didn't have them for a long time, but I would repurchase them continually, and since I'm moving away from that, I want to try and find something similar. I will say, compared to the Victoria's Secret one, this feels less one size fits all. And just for reference, I wear a size 10 in jeans on the bottom, so my butt and my thighs are a bit larger than maybe the rest of me, so you guys have kind of like some context. So this thong does kind of pull my, I don't know, love handles, hips in a little bit, but I don't think the denting is significant enough that you would see it under a piece of under like jeans or a semi-fitted dress. If you're wearing something that's like super tight and fitted, you'll probably notice that there's a little denting in your body, but not significantly. And it was comfortable when I tried it on. I did try all of these on, so I'd have something to talk about. And so that is from Casabella, and it retails for $26 on the Azura Bay website. The next one is also from Casabella, and it is the Cutie Thong in Ruby Red. So this one is all lacy, whereas the crotch part of this one is not lacy, it's just kind of like cotton. This one is all lacy front to back, and this one is more true fit, one size fits all. Even though it looks smaller in appearance, I found the stretch on this far more forgiving than the black thong, and it was also comfortable when I tried it on. I think I'm gonna really like that one when I actually wear it and put it into practice. And then I also bought some like average normal kind of underwear, not thongs, I don't know what you call them, just everyday underwear you wear when you're lounging or comfy or just don't want to wear a thong. So from the brand Organic Basics, this is the Organic Cotton Hipster Bikini Undies. Oh, I didn't tell you how much that other thong cost. So the Cutie thong cost $24. Sorry about that. So the Organic Basics Organic Cotton Hipster Bikini Undies, got them in beige and black, and they got 2 packs of each. A 2-pack of each, and the 2 packs are $39. And this feels like a lot of money for underwear. I'm coming to find that really ethically nice made underwear is apparently super expensive, but guess it is what it is. So I got the black and the beige. I will say I will not repurchase these. They're not terrible. It's just this band is super thick and not as forgiving. It's a little bit tight. I wouldn't say it's distracting enough to like be noticed under jeans, but they're just, of the lounging around comfortable underwear I have, this is not it. So the search continues there. I don't know that I'd recommend them, but they're not terrible. I'm not returning them, and I'm going to use them. I will say I think this is my favorite of the bunch, the Cutie Thong, and this is something I could see myself repurchasing in the future. So that's all the underwear I have to share with you guys. I know this was a little bit of a different video, but I've decided that as I go throughout time, as I purchase new underwear from these ethical companies, I'm going to talk to you guys about it, because I know it's something that I've been searching for, and it's not something that's necessarily talked about a ton, at least not by the channels I follow, so I want to make sure that I am that voice letting you guys know. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button, and otherwise I'll talk to you all later. Bye!